y'all, it's the next day. Just to make sure everything is dry. This is how dry. But just to make sure it's 100% dry, I'm about to use this blow dryer from Amazon. It's called Slopehill Professional. And it's like one of the modern blow dryers. Like, y'all, before I had the blow dryer that I got now that looks a hot ass mess, I had the blow dryer that I had before that for like years. When I say years, like 10, more than 10 plus years. And y'all, hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel and I'm back with a natural hair video. This is gonna be how to do a braid out. Okay y'all, so the key to doing a good braid out is not having the hair all the way drenched. You see how it's like mostly dry with a little bit tinge of like dampness. That will help the wash and go dry overnight and it be completely dry by the time you take it out. Basically, I added a little bit of gel. Y'all can add more, but I just know the gel takes it longer to dry, and I don't want to sit under the dryer. I just want to do these braids and take them out the next day, and that's basically what happened. Even if you look at the roots, I'm not even braiding it super tight, and it still came out really good. So just as long as you detangle your hair and you braid it decently, the wash and go should turn out like pretty good. And for the fact that you gotta make sure that your hair is fully dry before you take it out, but that's not like a big step you have to worry about since the hair is basically already dry while you're braiding it. I secure the ends with a rubber band and leave a good amount of hair out at the bottom, not too much. And then I wet it and then I define it with my brush and kind of scrunch it up a little bit. And that's what I did for every single braid. And before I started every single section, I detangled my hair from ends to root very thoroughly. And even with that, it was still kind of like my hair sticks. So, you know what I'm saying? The braid was only so tight. Y'all can see the roots wasn't even like all the way tight, but it didn't matter because most of the time when people do braid outs anyway, they tease the root or like pick it out. And if I'm not already making it super defined, I already have just 4-bit braids, you wouldn't even have to worry about doing that for real. Like the volume's gonna be there. And I do the same thing to the other side, and it's just gonna clip to me doing the other side. And yeah, pretty self-explanatory. As y'all can see, not the best looking and not that tight at the roots, but that does not matter. So just make sure you follow the tips that I said earlier where like the hair is mostly dry. And yeah, I'm not the type of bitch to just get a new blow dryer because it's like if it's doing what it need to do, whatever, but it looks a mess. But this is the design. Look how sleek it is. This is the box it comes with. It comes with a diffuser and 2 of the nozzle things to like make the heat more direct, which I need because I feel like this would like speed up the drying time. But I'm just gonna use the blow dryer by itself. I don't need to use none of the other shits. But I'll link it in the description. It has all this on the back. It comes in pink, gray, white, or black. It has a cool shot button, of course. Negative ion care, I don't know what that means. Intelligent security sensor control. The machine is very light. It is light, unlike a lot of bulky blow dryers. And it says the noise is reduced. Like I'm about to see how loud it is to see if they tell the truth. And then also it's a brushless motor, so I don't have that fan thing that's y'all. And this shit is strong, like it's powerful. I'm not gonna see the settings. It lights up. I don't know if you can see that. Wait. See? And then lower. And it's like high heat, y'all. I mean high. This shit is so like high fashion. I can't even lie, I was really surprised by this blow dryer, y'all. Like I'm telling y'all, don't get new ones. It was just so high tech and lightweight, and it did everything it said it was gonna do on the box. No false advertisements, and I definitely recommend, like 10 out of 10. The link will be down below. This part, you just want to make sure that you're taking the braids out gently, because this is already like a low maintenance braid out with barely any gel or any water. So you want as less frizz as possible, so you just want to be real gentle. Of course it's going to be frizz, like y'all can see that it's part of the look, but you don't want like OD extra frizz. Like you still want it to be halfway defined. Little flakes and dust falling everywhere is the cast from the gel. It's not dandruff or anything like I saw on my scalp, but I'm picking my hair at the roots just to like have it not be like any part in the back. And yeah, I'm basically done, y'all. I'm about to do my edges. It for the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have more videos for y'all, but as of now, this is it.